I'm Eric
And she's Eric too. We're best friends and not with you.
We're glad that
You are watching this because you have nothing else to do. Alright, so we're going to talk about our favorite superhero.
Faginator. Wait, no. Fag Boy and Faginator. Now, see, Fag Boy runs on a rampage. Fag Boy runs.
Try it. It tastes like cheese. No, I'm serious.
I can't bark.
So how do you eat? Put it on the paper. My homework. Okay. Not right now. So.
So, Thirder. Because you're with me, baby. No. So, Fag Boy is on a quest with his girlfriend, Fag Face Girl.
You mean Lava Girl?
Lava Girl, I mean.
And they're both like happy together, and their mission is to destroy all the straight people in the world.
No, you can't say that because that's racist.
That's not racist. It's homogenous. I didn't mean it. I'm actually bisexual. I mean, I am with her, aren't I? Mike, if you're watching this, I'm sorry.
No, so, Faginator. No. Okay. Hold up, how do you put this
You
normal?
press it again. Press it again.
Okay. So, basically, Fag Boy over there, and his sidekick.
And a sidekick. No. They go to save evil, and this is what they do.
Bam.
Bam!
Bam. Okay. So, Fag Boy and his sidekick, Faginator.
Faginator, you can't forget him.
Faginator. So, they are on a rampage to save the world from
Pussy.
pussy.
You know the smelly kind, the one that your brother goes for?
And Faggot Boy. Fag Boy, you know, he
He's
says
my
that my eyes are enchanting.
Chanting.
And they're big pools of blue.
Wait a minute.
Comment the video below if you think my eyes are enchanting.
And if you think my eye is enchanting, don't say anything. Oh, do the face.
My chin is like swollen up today, so I look like
So, I'm going to the dentist today,
finally.
right? And she's gonna come with me. And you know what she's gonna do? Watch my spit get sucked by the machine, bitch.
Let's see if I know. Oh, Danny got
Like this new shirt, and it's so badass. It's so badass.
it really is. It's a blue. Okay, Danny Griezmann, if you are watching this,
She doesn't mean it. You know I can see you, right?
if you are watching this, that shirt was very badass. It is blue and it is striped and it has collar and it has a collar.
You know my mom bought that shirt?
Your mom bought my boyfriend a shirt.
So, me and her have a lot in common. One of these things is taking shits. We would be on the phone and be like, oh, I just took a good.
Thanks. No problem. No. Try this in your classroom. When your teacher gives you back a test, say thanks. And
No
she's
problem.
gonna look at you. No problem. She
Oi.
made me take this video when exactly when I look like shit, right? And she looks all pretty because she didn't go to school today, so she took like 8 hours.
I didn't take 8 hours, okay? It was
And
2
I just came
half.
from school and I had like this big pimple.
You fucking retard.
I faced with that.
we should be ending this video right now, and this is just a sneak peek. Speaking about sneak peeks.
Sneak peeks.
Um,
and-